Hey guys, Jarrett from Jarrett Photography here, and I wanted to share some photos that I took at the Run to the Sun car show on March 22nd here in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Now, the Run to the Sun car show is actually a tradition here in Myrtle Beach, and if I'm not mistaken, this year marks 25 years that they've been doing it. This year we saw over 3,000 classic cars roll into town to have all types of fun and show off their rides. Now, even though cars are a big passion of mine, I really enjoyed watching the people walking around. There's all types of people that go to these car shows. You have young families with small kids, you have elderly men that are walking around looking at cars that their dad owned, and you have all types of buyers, sellers, and people that are really proud of the work that they've done on their own vehicles. It really is a community of its own that has its own personalities, and it's a lot of fun to check out, especially since it's something that we don't see a ton here in Myrtle Beach except for a couple times a year. So though I did photograph a lot of cars there were a lot of photographers there photographing cars. So I spent a lot of my time focusing on the people walking around and the interaction that the people had with vehicles. One of my favorite things about these types of events is the way people dress up their vehicles for car shows. For instance, there was this one guy that had a Chevrolet Nomad. It was a really cool looking wagon, and in the back he had a surfboard, a couple of Von Dutch looking pinstriped suitcases, and also a ukulele that was pinstriped. It looked really cool, very California-esque car, and it was just awesome. Now, I'm a big fan of Volkswagens, and there was a lot there. There's one club that always shows up, and they do a great job. They always park all their VW buses together. Anyway, enough of me talking. Here's the photos. Run to the Sun is just one of many different events that are going on here in Myrtle Beach this summer. This is my town and I really enjoy what's going on here, so I hope to be able to share more and more of that with you in the upcoming months. If you'd like to see more of my work, you can do so on my website, which is jarretthucks.com. And make sure to connect with me socially. All that is in the information below. Until next time, thanks for watching. jarretthucks.com.